So guys, for today's video guys, we will be discussing again the top 5 points. Okay, so these are the top 5 points in our MTG bulks. And as you know guys, I've been searching a lot of bulks lately, and we are sorting them out. And we're posting them in our Shopee shop. So if you're new to my channel guys, please give me a sub and give me a like. And please guys, visit our Shopee shop, Daily Dose of Magic. And without further ado, let's dig into it. So our first card guys is the Sangjuin Survivor. So this one is a 3 mana, 1 colorless, 1 white, 1 black. It is a vampire cleric creature. I really like this one because this one has a flying and lifelink. So the lifelink guys, if you don't know, the lifelink ability is whenever you deal damage to your opponent, it will convert to your life points. So also, rather than that guys, this one has a disguise ability. If you use 2 mana, it's either 2 white or 2 black. Okay, so if you use that, you may cast this card face down for 3. Okay, so for 3 mana as a 2/2 creature with a ward. And pay 2 and then turn it face up, and then anytime for its disguise cost. So this one has flying, lifelink, and disguise ability. Very nice card guys. When Sanguine Savior is turned face up, another target creature you control gains lifelink until end of turn. So all of the creatures, okay, that you control will gain lifelink. So imagine that guys. So this one is a very OP card. Very nice creature guys. But the bad part only is the toughness is only 1. So I think that's the not so good part about it. But it's really like it's really OP. Yeah, very nice card. So for our next card guys is Discerning Financier. So Discerning Financier is a 3 mana creature. So this one is a human noble, uncommon card. So 2 colorless, 1 white. So at the beginning of your upkeep, okay, if an opponent controls more lands than you can create a treasure token. So that's the ability that I like guys. So for example, your opponent has so many lands, then you can create treasure token, and that treasure token guys, you can sacrifice that artifact. Sacrifice this artifact, and then you can add 1 mana of any color. So that's the best part of it. And then you can pay 3 mana, 2 colorless, and then 1 white. You can choose another player. That player gains control of target treasure you control, and then you can draw a card. So very nice card guys. So this is a teamwork card. Very good card for teamwork. Discerning Financier. Next guys is our third card guys, is a Armory Mice. So this one is a 1 colorless, 1 white creature mouse token. Creature mouse card. This one has the good thing here is the celebration ability. So the celebration ability guys, Armory Mice gets +0/+2 as long as 2 or more non-land permanents enter the battlefield under your control. So meaning if you have non-land permanent enter the battlefield, for example, you have two more creature or any other non-land card that you put in the field, so your Armory Mice will get +0/+2. So this will become 3/3. Very nice card guys. So, and for my favorite on this set, okay, so my most favorite on this set is this one, Guardian of the Great Door. So this one is only 2 white mana guys. So you only need 2 white mana. This is a creature angel, and on top of it, this one has a flying ability, and then this one has a 4/4. So very high damage and very high toughness guys for only 2 mana. It's really OP, and it has a flying ability. As an additional cost to cast this spell, tap 4 untap artifact, creatures, and or land you control. So you can tap guys the artifact, creature, and land you control, and then you have a flying ability. Very nice. And for our last card guys, 5th card is the Miner's Guide Wing. So this one is also very nice card. This one is 1 mana only, bird creature which has a flying and vigilance. So this one is 1/1, but I love the vigilance effect and also the flying guys. So when Miner's Guide Wings dies, also this is the best part, target creature you control explores. So you can explore guys. You can reveal the top card of your library and put that card into your hand, and if it's land, and then otherwise put +1/+1 counter on that creature. My god, that is very nice. Then put the card back or put it in your graveyard. Very nice ability for just 1 mana, guys. this is one of the OPS uncommon card, and I hope you like it. So that's all. What's your thought, guys, in our top 5 finds for today? So just comment down below, and hopefully, guys, you subscribe to us, and we are already on 3.74 subscribers. So it would be helpful if you can subscribe to our growing channel. Thank you so much. That's all, and ciao. See you again on our next video. God bless.